So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok creativity beta program not showing up on TikTok. A lot of TikTok user reported that there is no showing TikTok creativity beta program. Simply it's mean there is no monetization option showing here in their TikTok account. So let's start video without wasting any time and see how we can get that option. Okay, firstly open TikTok, tap on profile. You can see appears on screen. I just created the new account and here I can show you how to get that option on TikTok. So tap on three lines, you can see appears on screen. In that section you can see appears on screen there are three options: creator, center, and also my QR code, and in the bottom you can see appears on screen setting and privacy. Okay, we just check the setting and privacy. Okay, you can see appears on screen there are showing many options in my account right now. Just scroll down and you can see appears on screen. Make sure you have also that all option in your TikTok account. Okay, now go back and tap on three dot again. You can see appears on screen here are showing sign in. Choose how to manage your passkey. Just close that, select three dot again, and you can see appears on screen creator center. Okay, just tap that. Now you can see appears on screen here are showing creativity beta program. Okay, basically this is the monetization option that TikTok introduced in their new feature that you can easily monetize your videos on TikTok and earn money. Okay, just tap that option and wait for a moment. You can see appears on screen here are showing also criteria that how you can monetize your TikTok video. If you don't see that option, make sure you create a account from USA, France, and also Italy, but many countries does not support that feature right now. Maybe it will appears on your TikTok in future. So just right now there is no option instead of create USA, France, and Italy account. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how you can get TikTok monetization option on your TikTok account. After watching this video, you can understand how you can get that feature. Okay, hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.